Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I am Chrissy and welcome. So guys, in today's video I will be doing a get ready with me. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going, but I'm going out, so I just decided to show y'all how I'm getting ready or whatever the case is. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see me do in the next video. Turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss when I post my videos, and yeah, just stay tuned. Okay, so guys, I had washed my hair today and mommy braided it to the back because I'm gonna be wearing a wig, so I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. I wore this wig before for my birthday, so I'm just reinstalling it. So yeah, I hope it shouldn't be that hard. So honestly, I'm just gonna oil my scalp. I think mommy had already do it, but still, because you know, why not?
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do.
Oh my god, Susie.
Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
And guys, oh lord, it's going to look better, hopefully. Just give us a second. Trust the process.
Okay.
All day long.
That's not what we finna do. Nope.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good.
Okay guys, so I'm going to do my makeup now. Kind of rushing, but not really. That's still. So
your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an episode of me.
hey guys, so this is editing me, but anyways, I totally forgot to video the finished product, like the finished look, because like I was brushing, and yeah, the video that y'all are about to see with like the finished look itself, that's when I had done everything, like I'm gonna go out and about to go home. That's when I actually remembered. Please do not mind me, as I popped pimples in my face and that's the outcome, but anyways, you're on the point. But yeah, that's when I actually remembered, because I was rushing and then I couldn't find good lighting and her back at things like on. As you can see, my lip gloss gone, ear fly. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. So yeah, bye. Okay guys, so rain is falling, but I am outside, and this is the end of the video. This is the fit. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see me do in the next video. Follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. I'm your girl Christy, and I'm out.